Hello, my dear friend. Thank you very much. Open my channel again. Last time we have talked about one patient. In 2019, he got a car accident and make a lot of problem. Strong headache, cannot sleep in the night. Eye is pain, neck pain, and have to reduce the half job. And after our treatment, 10 times, he's 80% better. His blood pressure is very high, many problems. And now he's stopped all the strong, like morphine, pain pills. He's go to job, nearly start a full-time job for trying. So today I will tell you another case. So acupuncture, how magic. So today we have one patient. His name is Uffe, and he can tell you his story. Then I tell you how can I help him. Okay, Uffe.
Hello, my name is Uffe, and my Chinese name is Uffe, and I have coughing in more than 7 years, and I test all what kind of coughing medicine, and you don't believe how much coughing medicine I eat. Nothing help, and then I get a heart attack and thought there was something about that, but after that again coughing and coughing. And what is coughing? Is no, you're coughing like that 24 hours a day, and that is very, very hard. And I was nearly trying to giving up because nobody could do anything, and they have, and my heart is tested perfect, my lung is tested perfect, so nobody can say what's wrong. Then I get by Dr. Chen's daughter Xixi, contact my mother, she say, and now I have get 6 time I visit Dr. Chen, and I say I don't cough anymore. You don't know how wonderful that is. Not in the middle of the night coughing like a neighbor knock on the door say shut up. You know, that tough was it in one time. So now I can recommend it. If you have cough, call Dr. Chen. It's a pleasure to be served by her.
Thank you. And for Uffe, the coughing is serious, and is Uffe? Yeah. The paper? The paper, yeah, doesn't matter. And he's coughing, like he say, daytime and nighttime, and about 6-7 years. And tried Western medicine, diagnose and the treatment, everything not help. So he come to us. And I can tell you, we treat many coughing people. And one lady coughing 25 years have to separate sleep with her husband. And so that is a big problem. But we treat her no longer, 3 months. She's totally okay. And the other person coughing 5 years or other 3 years, so totally be cured. And totally be cured, we didn't use any pills. No Western medicine, no Chinese medicine, just needles. So needles and the gua sha and soup cup, only use this. Then Uffe come first time. His blood pressure is 170, 106, lower one, higher, because he's coughing daytime, nighttime, sleeping no good, blood pressure higher. At the same time, we treat his backside for long meridian, bladder meridian, bladder meridian long points, and beside dietary and the coughing, special coughing points. Special, we put many needles on his kidney points. Bladder 23, 24, and 25, these points. And front, we put needles on the large intestine 12 and on the long meridian and on the kidney meridian. For example, the kidney number 3 and liver number 3 because he coughing and high blood pressure. Liver number 3 help the blood pressure go down. Large intestine 12 help that too. Same time, we give the back gua sha first time. When we do gua sha, back very red. Lot of red spots come out. And especially we are in coughing points, long points, yeah, to give the suck-up, bleeding the points, suck-up, little blood out, that very strong treatment, make this coughing immediately better. Yeah. So even the first time, he's much more better after treatment. But they still morning and the evening have a little coughing. And one time is getting more better. Latest, we tell him use moxa to moxa feng long. You give me the model. Backside. Yeah. Feng long, moxa to warm up these points. Yeah. Is feng long. Here. Yeah. Is stomach 38. But stomach 40. Stomach 40. Yeah. On the small leg, middle place, go out 2 fingers. Yeah. Stomach 40. Use moxa to warm up the points. And about 15 to 20 minutes, this help a lot. So for coughing people, can try that points. Another way, we have an orange. Orange, cut a surface and have a hole, put the salt inside. Steam 10 minutes, then eat the big orange. Then it help the stop coughing. It's very much. So we are together, acupuncture, front and the back, and gua sha, and suck-up, yeah, and orange and moxa. So totally together until after 6 times, his coughing nearly finished. Today, no any coughing. So we hope can continue to good side. And maybe he have to come later on, 1 month, 1 or 2 times, keep the good things, keep his immune repertoire. Then no coughing come back again. So for his story, we can say 7 years coughing, and see doctor many times, not help. We 6 times, then can take away. So if you have a same problem, please see acupuncture doctor. I think you can get help. Next time we will talk another story, and every time we have a different patient, so you can listen. Acupuncture give you surprise answer. Thank you. Hope you concern our medical story, and Dr. Chen tells medical story. Price subscription. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.